Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We're studying lesson number 18, and this is the third session. And in this lesson, we have already studied the concept of mamnu min as-sarf. In English, we call it a diptote. And mamnu min as-sarf, that those are the words that don't take tanween, and when they are majroor, they take their sign of being majroor, they take fatah, not kasra. And then we studied harufun nasb wa harufun jazm. Harufun nasb, these are the particles that make fail mudari mansoob, and those are an, kail, lam, talil, hatta, and fa. And then some particle haruful jazm, they make fail madari majzoom, and those are lam, lamul amr, lamul amri, and la nahiya. So now in this lesson, we're gonna identify the diptotes mamnu min as-sarf and the particle that make it fail madari mansoob or majzoom. So let's get started. Hawaziru Arabiyatun, Arab cities. So marratil hadaratul Arabiyatu bi marahila mukhtalifatin. So the Arab civilization passed through many stages, different stages. This is the verb marra yamurru, and hiya marrat, because hazara is the feminine word, so that is why hiya form is used. And here our word of interest is marahila. So even with the harfuf jar ba, it is not marahili, because it is diptote, and the diptote won't take a kasra. Its jar form is with the fatah. So now why this is mamnu min as-sarf? Because this is ala sigati muntahal jumui. This is on the pattern of muntahal jumui, ultimate broken plurals, that we studied when we were studying that mamnu min as-sarf, that these are the 5 letters and the middle one is the alif one. So those words, they are called sigatum muntahal jumui, or in English we call that ultimate broken plural. These are the ultimate forms of the plurals, and no further forms can be derived out of that. So that is why this is mamnu min as-sarf. Fi kulli marhalatin hakamat dawlatun kubra, and in every stage a big so at every stage a big state ruled. Kubra. Kubra means, so this is diptote also. This is the feminine for akbaru, and akbaru. So we studied that the words that are on the pattern of afalu, which is ismu tafdil, and it's a muannas folau or fola or fula. They are diptotes, or they are mamnu min as-sarf. So this is on the pattern of fula. So a big state ruled in every stage. Ashharuha salasun, and most famous of them are 3. Here they are al-Umayyatu wal-Abbasiyatu wal-Fatimiyatu. So these are called Umayyad, Abbasid, and Fatimid. These three states they ruled. Wajalat kullu dawlatin li nafsiha madinatan, and every dawla, every state made jala, hiya jalat, li nafsiha madinatin, its city, hiya haziratul khalafati aw asimatuha, the capital of the caliphate, or its capital. Watarikhul Arabiyu Mal'anu bil Mudnil Kubra. And the history, Arab history, is full of the big cities. So Mal'anu, this is diptote, won't take a tanween because this is ala wazni folanu. This is on the pattern of falanu. So this won't take tanween. And kubra is same thing. Ismu majrurun wal alamatu jari al kasra al muqaddara al alfi li ta'zuri. And actually we studied that the diptotes, when they take alif lam or they are mudaf, then they take the kasra in the mudaf alayhi combination. So here, because it's alif maksura, we don't see, but we can say here ism majrur lamat jaril kasra al muqaddara ala alfi li ta'zuri, because there is a kasra, estimated kasra here, which we don't see because of difficulty. Fal nakif. So let's stop huna here in the hawazir salasir ra'isiyati. So let's stop here at three main or three major cities: Damishka wa Baghdad wa Kahira, Damascus, Baghdad and Cairo. Now we studying in this lesson the first of these three cities, Dimashku. Zallat Dimashku tahta hukm Romani sabata kurunin. Damascus, it remained under the Roman rule for 7 centuries. Summa dakhalaha al-muslimuna ama sitamiyatin wa arbaatin salasina lil miladi. Then Muslims, they entered in the year 634 AD, al-Mawafika Salisa Ashara lil Hijra, which is equivalent to 13 Hijra, 13th year of Hijra. Fi Yomi Wafati Abi Bakrin, on the day of the death of the Caliph Abu Bakr, Khalifatin Nabi Muhammadin, successor of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Wafi Ahdil Kaisari, in the era of Al Kaisari Hirakla, Emperor Heraclius. So Hirakla, this is again is a diptote, is mamnu min as-sarf. It won't take tanween because this is a foreign name. Al-alamul ajamiyu, this is the foreign name, and the foreign names, they are mamnu min as-sarf. Bada marikatin kabiratin, after a big battle, here, which is called Marakatul Yarmuki, Battle of Yarmouk. Wabiskuti Dimashka, and with the fall of Damascus, Damashq, Sakatat Mudnu Shami, all the cities of the so here Sham is not the current country. Actually, historically and geographically, this is Biladus Sham, the Levant, which refers to the vast region that currently consists of Syria, Lebanon, Jordan and Palestine. So that were all making Levant or Sham. So with the fall of Dimashq, because that was the capital city, Sakatat Mudun Shami Kullaha, all the cities of the country Levant, they fell. Wa ahammuhuma Baitul Maqdisi, and the most important of them is Baitul Maqdis, which is called Jerusalem. So this is the diptote. This word is not taking tanween, and because it's a feminine name, al-alamul muannas. So we can also say that this is the foreign name, because this was not the Arab name. Ishtarata Hakimu Baitul Maqdisi. So this is the verb Ishtarata Yashtaritu. to put a condition. This is on the pattern of iftala yaftailu format verb. So اشترط حاكم بيت المقدس أن يسلم مفاتيح المدينة للخليفة عمر بنفسه. So the ruler of the Bayt al-Maqdas, he put a condition that he is going to deliver the keys of the city to the Caliph Umar bin Nafsihi himself. So here we see Umar is not taking a tanween because it's a diptode, mamnu min as-sarf, and the reason is al-alamu ala wazni fu'alu is on the pattern of fu'alu, which won't take tanween. La ila shakhsin akhar, and not to any other person. So the ruler of the Bayt al-Maqdas, he said he's going to give the keys of the city to the Caliph Umar and not to anyone else. So, and Umar, he had to travel from Yasrib, from Medina to Bayt al-Maqdas to get the keys. So, وَإِنْدَمَا دَخَلَهَا Umaru, so when Umar, he entered the city, Talaba an yuhafiz al-Muslimuna, so he asked, so here the verb is hafaza yuhafizu, and an is the particle which making it yuhafiza, mansub. So Umar, he asked the Muslims an yuhafiza, guarding, to take care, to guard, to protect ala kanaisiha, their churches, wa an yu'amilu ahlaha bil adli, and to deal with their families with justice. So here the verb is amala yu'amilu, and for whom is yu'amiluna, and an is making it mansub, and whom becomes mansub by removing the noon. So that is why we don't see noon, and this is those 5 verbs which become mansub or majzoom by removing the noon. Bada ahdul Umayyina bi Muawiyah bin Abi Sufyan. The Umayyad era began with Muawiyah bin Abi Sufyan. So this, you see, Muawiyata is not Muawiyati because it's diptode, and so Ism Majroor won't take kasra, rather fatah, which we see here. And this is diptode, this is mamnu min as-sarf because of this ta marbuta at the end, so we can say is a feminine name. Is a feminine name or some masculine name that end at ta marbuta, they are diptodes or mamnu min as-sarf. Nakala Muawiyatu al-Khalifatul Awwalu, so Muawiyah, same Muawiyah here, mamnu min as-sarf, there is no tanween. So he moved, was the first caliph, Hazirat al-Khalafati min al-Madina Yasrib ila Dimashq. So he moved actually moved the capital city of the state from Yasrib to Dimashq, capital of the caliphate. And Yasrib here is diptode because this some mamnu min as-sarf, some words which look like a verb, I mean, if they look like the verbs, look like a fail, so they are also mamnu min as-sarf. So yasribu is on the pattern of yafilu, fa'ala yafilu, looks like a verb, so that is why Yasriba is maful bihi, that is why it's mansub. So that is why this is a mamnu min as-sarf, because they look like fail. Wabaza qawanin al-mu'amilati ma ahlil biladi, and he put or he derived the laws of the dealing with the people, ma ahlil biladi, dealing with the people of the country. Wa ahtamma Yazid bin Muawiyata al-Khalifa Sani. So this is the verb ihtamma yahtammu, to take care, to make sure, and this on the pattern of iftala yaftailu form it. So Yazid, now this is tiptoed also, mamnu min as-sarf, not taking tanween, because this is again on the pattern of a verb or a fail. Like we know, we call Zada Yazidu. So Yazidu looks like a verb, but it's a name. So this is mamnu min as-sarf. So Yazid bin Muawiyah, he made sure, which was the second caliph, bil qaza'i ala khusumihi, by removing his opponents, the people who were against him. So he, the second caliph, his goal was to get rid of all his opponents. Amma al-Walidu al-Khalifatu Sadisu, the sixth caliph, as far as Walid is concerned, faqad wasala bi juyushihi ila Bukhara. So he so his juyushihi, his armies reached to Bukhara, Samarkand, li yazida araziya dolata, so that to increase his the land of the state. So his goal was to increase the land of the state. So then he sent his armies to Bukhara, Samarkand. Here Yazid is, like I said, is diptoed. So here Yazid is used as a verb. And li yazida. So li is the particle which is making it mansoob. Zada yazidu. Li making it mansoob. Yazida. So both they look like similar. That is why this is mamnu min as-sarf, because it looks like a verb. And Bukhara wa Samarkand, they are diptodes. They are mamnu min as-sarf because they are foreign names. Al-alamul ajamiyu, foreign names. Wabana jamia al-umawiyya fi Damishka wa masjida umara fi Baitil Maqdisi. And he built Umayyad Mosque in Damascus and Umar Mosque in Baitul Maqdis. Wamtala majlisuhu, and his majlis, his gathering was full of hukma wa shura, of the wise people and the poets. So here hukma and shura, they are diptodes, so they should not take kasra, but because they are starting from with the al, so that is why then that in this case we can put kasra. Otherwise they are diptode mamnu min as-sarf. So and they are mamnu min as-sarf because Jama'u taksiri allazi yantahi bi, because they, all the broken plural that have additional alif and hamza, they are that is one of the categories that make that fail, that make that word diptode or mamnu min as-sarf. So these two, if they come without al, we won't see the kasra because they are diptodes. Amma ashharu khulafai dawlatil amawiyyati, as far as the most famous caliphs of the state of Umayyad state is huwa Umar bin Abdul Aziz. Umar bin Abdul Aziz, Khalifa Samin, 8th caliph. Allazi lam tarif dawlatul amawiyyatu adala minhu. So this was the caliph that the state of Umayyad state did not know more just anybody more just than him. So he was the more just caliph. Here our word of interest is lam tarif. Lam, so this is arafa yarifu, and lam making it, and here is tarifu, lam making it tarif. This kasra is actually tarif. This is just to connect these two words. Otherwise this is lam tarif. If because the next letter also starting from the sukoon, so we cannot connect these two if we don't put some sign. That is why kasra is used. Izdaharat Dimashku ba'da an dakhalaha al-arabu. So this is the verb azdahara yazdahiru, to flourish. This is the pattern of iftala yaftailu. So Damascus flourished after Arab entered in it. وَتَغَنَّى فِيهَا شُعَرَاءُ كَثِيرُونَ, and the poets were singing in them in it. Fiha, in it, many poets were singing in it, because was started flourishing. So here we see Shorau is not taking tanween because it's mamnu min as-sarf, and same thing here, because is the broken plural. Shairun Shorau is the broken plural with additional alif and hamza. وَإِنْدَمَا نَذْكَرُ دِمَشْقَ نَذْكَرُ مَاهَا غَوْتَةُ دِمَشْقَ. And when we mention Damascus, we also mention with it غَوْتَةُ Dimashq is this is the fertile green oasis that surrounds the city of Damascus. Wahiya, and these are basatinu kasiratun ala nahri Barda. These are the many orchards on the river Barda, baina ahyaiha wa biyutiha, between its neighborhood and its houses. So basatinu is dipped out mamnu min as-sarf. Again, this is la sigati muntahal jumui, ultimate broken plurals, and we have studied this in the when we studied the concept of the mamnu min as-sarf. This was part of that. Fiha kullul alwani sharqi, and it has all the colors of the east. Wa tajma'u min an-nabatati nadirati, and its collection has the rare plants. Ma la tajiduhu fi madaina, that you don't find in the cities. Gairiha fi sharqi or al-gharibi, that so there are some rare plants that you don't find in any other cities of the east or the west. Lan tarifa Dimashqa hatta takra tarikhaha summa tazuraha. You won't know the history, you won't know Damascus until you read its history and then you visit it. So here arafa yarifu, again lan, this is the particle which makes the fail madari mansub, and hatta is another particle which kara yakrau. So this is takrau because the Dimashq is the feminine word. So hiya takrau, hatta takraa. So these two particles making the fail mudare mansub. Summa tazuraha, summa is harfu atfin, so that is why takraa, this mansub is carried over after the harfu atf, because this is the matuf of takraa. Izhab ilayha, go to it, kay tushahida masajidaha wa madarisaha wa shatuta anhariha. Go to this city, visit this place, so kai is now the harf that makes the fail mudare mansub. So this is the verb is shahada yushahidu, and for hiya, actually this is for masajida because it's broken plural. So for hiya is tushahidu, kai is making it tushahida. So you watch its mosques, its schools, and its river banks. Shatutu anhariha, river banks. Zurha, visit it. Fatarif annaha jannatullahi alal ardi. Visit it, so then you would know that this is the heaven, is like a heaven, Allah's heaven on the earth. So here fa is used. We studied fa sababiya. This comes when there are some things like Amr was one of them, because there is a Amr Zurha, visited, so that is why fa is coming. So fa comes for like we have studied in some cases, and this Amr is one of them. Asmah al-Arabu Damishka al-Fayha, the Arabs named this city Dimashq as Fayha, wa Fayhau Tani Wasiya Tan, and Fayha means spacious, li kasrati duriha wa ahyaiha, because of many houses, and its vast houses and neighborhood. So that is why they named it Fayhau. Uh, Note that Faihau uh, is Faihau is tiptoed because is Jama Taksir Allazi Yantahi, because it ends with Alif and Hamza, additional Alif and Hamza. Asmaha Romanu, and they named it Ruman Nuru Sharki, which means the light of the east. Walam Taslam, uh, and Damascus was not spared, did not spare Minat Takhribi wa Tadmiri, from the sabotage and destruction. Wakad Kharrabaha Hulaku wa Maghulu Ama Alfin wa Salasamiyatin, and Halaku and Mongols, they destroyed it in the year 1300 AD. Wa Akhrakaha Timur Lang, and so this is the verb Akhraka Yuhriku, form for verb Afala Yufilu, to burn, and Timur Lang. So Timur Lang is Timur the Lame, or Tamerlane. It was the Central Asian conqueror and a controversial military figure, often compared to Genghis Khan. So he burned this city in the year Alfin Warbamiyat in 1400. Wa akhtallaha al-Usmani Yuna. So this is another verb. Akhtalla yakhtallu, to occupy, to capture. This is on the pattern of ifta'ala yaftailu, form 8. So then Usmani Ottomans, they captured it in the year Ama Alfin wa Khamsa wa Sittata Ashara, in the year 1516 wa Kharibat, and then they also destroyed. So there was the Arab, they brought the prosperity, and then these rulers, they brought the destruction. So here I have circled some words like Hulaku, Temurlang. They are diptotes, Mamnu Mina Sarf, because they are foreign names. And Lam Taslam, Lam is the particle which making it Majzoom. Yakulu Jostaf Lubun. So Gustav Le Bon, he says, Kala Yakulu, Dama Rakhau Suriyata Hatta Ikhtallaha At-Turku. So this the prosperity of Syria lasted, Dama lasted, until Ikhtallaha At-Turku. So Ikhtalla, we have already studied the verb here. Ikhtalla Yakhtallu, to occupy, to capture. So in other words, the prosperity of Syria lasted until the Turk, they captured this. They captured it. Means after that, the prosperity, then the destruction started. Suriyata, so this is diptoed again because has a tamarbuta. Rakhau, this one looks like has a alif and hamza. Looks like this is mamnu min asarf, but this is not, because this is not diptoed, because alif and hamza is not additional. This not, so the condition is alif and hamza has to be addition of the root letters, but this is not addition. This hamza is actually part of the root letters. Rakhawa, and waw changes to hamza. So in other words, we can use this word as rakhaun. Haza rakhaun kabiratun. This is a great prosperity. So this is not diptoed. So when the Turks, when they came, fala tas'al, so don't even ask munzu zalikal waqti, since that time, an al fanuni, about the fanun, about the art, or sina'ati, industry, or hatta hal hadaiki, or basatin, about the gardens and orchards. So they probably they destroyed everything. So here tas'al, sa'ala yas'alu, here tas'alu, again anta, here is anta tas'alu, but la is making it majzum. La tas'al, you don't ask. So this is la nahiya. Amma al yawma, as far as today, فدمشق من كبرى العواصم العربية. Damascus is one of the big Arab capitals. Kubra we have discussed above. Wa markazun, and a center. Tijariyun wa sakafiyun kabirun, and a center of trade and culture. Big trade and culture. So that completes this lesson, and we identified many words that are mamnu min as-sarf, and some words that are some verbs that are mansoob because of particles that make them mansoob, or some verbs we found them majzoom because of they followed some particle that make them majzoom. So this complete this lesson. In the next session we will study al-lughwiyat, and then we do the exercises which will complete this lesson. So I'm going to stop here now. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.